Hello, and today I will be talking about the flow of energy and matter through food chains and food webs. Specifically, that food webs identify feeding relationships among producers, consumers, and decomposers in an ecosystem. Here, we have a food web showing the flow of energy between different forest animals and insects. Arrows show the direction of energy flow from organism consumed to consumer. First, we'll start with the producer. Producers are plants that get their energy from photosynthesis. The producer is then consumed by the primary consumer, such as the cricket. The cricket is then consumed by what we call the secondary consumer, such as the alligator lizard or robin. Secondary consumers are then consumed by tertiary consumers, such as the Cooper's hawk and fox. From here, this is where the food chain would finish, but food webs start full cycle. So when a tertiary, secondary, or primary consumer dies, their bodies become energy for decomposers such as fungus, bacteria, pill bugs, and insect larvae. These become primary consumers, and therefore we start the food web. Not only can decomposers get their energy from past consumers, but they can also get their energy from past producers. So, things such as dead leaves or rotting logs and dead plants can also be broken down by fungi, bacteria, and the rest, and also restart the food web. Thank you.